Why is an energy baseline vital for energy savings? Imagine trying to improve your home's energy use without knowing how much energy you normally consume. It would be like trying to lose weight without knowing your starting weight. An energy baseline is that starting point for understanding how much energy a building or system uses over time. It is usually measured over months or even a year to get a clear picture of typical energy consumption. This baseline acts as a reference, showing what normal energy use looks like before any changes are made. Without this reference, it is impossible to tell if your efforts to save energy are actually working or if you are just guessing. Having an accurate baseline helps you measure progress. When you compare current energy use to the baseline, you can see if your efforts are making a difference. For example, if you install better insulation or upgrade your heating system, you want to know if those changes reduce energy bills. The baseline gives you a clear way to see if those improvements are effective. It also helps identify areas where energy is wasted. Maybe your heating system runs longer than needed or lights stay on in unused rooms. Analyzing baseline data reveals these patterns, so you can target specific actions like turning off unused equipment or adjusting temperature settings. Knowing your baseline also makes setting realistic goals easier. If you understand your usual energy consumption, you can set achievable targets for reducing it. This helps prioritize actions that will give you the best results for your money. For example, if your baseline shows high energy use during off hours, you can focus on scheduling or automation to cut down waste. Another important reason for a baseline is to account for variables like weather or production levels. For instance, colder weather increases heating needs, and higher production might increase energy use. A good baseline considers these factors, allowing you to compare energy use fairly over different conditions. This way, you know if changes are due to your efforts or just external factors. After making improvements, the baseline becomes the benchmark to verify savings. If you see a drop in energy use compared to the baseline, you know your strategies are working. If not, you can reevaluate and try different approaches. Creating a baseline involves collecting detailed data on all energy sources like electricity, natural gas, and fuels. This data is analyzed using statistical methods to understand normal patterns and adjust for influencing factors. From a heat, transfer, and thermodynamics perspective, understanding your baseline helps identify where energy losses happen and how energy flows within your building. This knowledge guides you to improve insulation, optimize heating and cooling, or upgrade equipment to reduce wasteful energy transfer. In short, an energy baseline is the foundation of effective energy management. It provides the factual starting point to measure, manage, and improve your energy efficiency. Without it, efforts to save energy are just guesses, and you miss out on real opportunities to cut costs and reduce waste.